All right, we're here at my first property. This guy was originally did a ceiling fan, and then I told him I saw his lawn. And I was like, "Yeah, you know I can do your lawn." He's like, "All right, cool." So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna trim the bushes up too. Yeah. All right, now I'm gonna whack this down with the weed whacker, and hopefully my lawnmower can pick up all this stuff after it. Make sure you guys, when you guys are when you're weed whacking like weeds, make sure you guys wear a mask. I have a mask in my car. I didn't bother getting a mask and some goggles because it will kick up and hit you in the face. Now I'm going to put my lawnmower at the highest setting, do the first cut, and then lower it to like 3 inches, and then do second cut. All right, we are done. Bushes look nice. Grass, this is all weeds right here. Might have to spray right there. Crow crowing. So yeah. And now, since I was doing this, neighbor pulled up and asked me to do her lawn, and she already paid me too. So about to head over there and do that lawn. So yeah. This was all rocks right here, so I got to blow all this. I'm gonna blow all this over there so I can put it in the bag. This lawn's done. This one's a hard one because this has that thick single grass that kind of like when you let it grow, it just rolls over. So it looks like it's full, but it's really not. And so they have to maintain it, keep it maintained. Did that over there. Got to push these back.